Today I am reviewing HP 250G9 Business Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The HP 250G9 15-inch business laptop is a machine designed to strike a balance between performance, productivity, and value, making it a strong contender for professionals, students, and anyone needing a reliable daily driver. Let's take a closer look at what this laptop has to offer and why it could be an excellent choice for your work or study setup. At the heart of this laptop, we have the Intel Core i5-1235U processor. This is a 10-core, 12-thread chip with a clock speed that can go up to 4.4 GHz. What that means in practice is smooth multitasking, quick application launches, and efficient handling of everything from spreadsheets and web browsing to light content creation tasks like editing documents, presentations, and even some design work. The combination of efficiency cores and performance cores makes this processor ideal for both productivity and everyday use without draining too much power. The standout feature here, though, is the memory and storage. With 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, you'll have more than enough headroom for multitasking. You can keep dozens of browser tabs open, run Office apps, video conferencing software, and even background applications without your system slowing down. Storage is also generous. The 1TB solid-state drive not only gives you plenty of room for files, projects, and media, but also ensures that everything loads quickly. Boot times are almost instant, and data transfer feels snappy. For business users or students managing large files, this is a huge advantage. When it comes to the display, HP has included a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. This screen delivers sharp text and decent color reproduction with its 45% NTSC coverage. While it's not intended for professional-grade color work, it is more than sufficient for business presentations, documents, and streaming media. The anti-glare coating and 250 nit brightness mean you'll be able to work comfortably in a variety of environments, even in rooms with lots of light. Connectivity is another strong point for the HP 250G9. Unlike many slim modern laptops that sacrifice ports, this one gives you plenty of options. You get a USB Type-C port, two USB Type-A ports, an HDMI port for connecting to external displays, a full-size SD card reader, an Ethernet RJ45 port, and of course a headphone and microphone combo jack. This means you don't have to carry around a bunch of adapters to get your work done. And with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, you're set up for fast wireless networking and stable device connections. For remote work or online classes, the laptop includes a 720p HD webcam along with dual microphones. While not the sharpest webcam out there, it gets the job done for video calls and meetings. The full-sized keyboard includes a numeric keypad, which is especially useful for business users who do a lot of data entry. The laptop is also fairly portable, weighing around 3.8 pounds and measuring just 0.78 inches in thickness. That makes it easy to carry around in a backpack for students or professionals who are always on the go. This model also comes bundled with Microsoft Office 365, which is a great value add for productivity. Out of the box, you're ready to start working with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Another thoughtful inclusion is the WOWPC Recovery USB, which gives you a straightforward way to troubleshoot or reset your system if anything goes wrong. On the graphics side, the laptop uses Intel Iris Xe integrated graphics. While this isn't designed for high-end gaming, it does handle streaming, everyday media, and light creative workloads without issue. If you occasionally want to play less demanding titles, it's definitely possible, but the main focus of this laptop is productivity and business use. As for durability and build, the HP 250G9 has a straightforward, professional black finish. It's not flashy, but it's clean, understated, and practical. HP also includes Comfort View Plus and anti-glare features to reduce eye strain during long working hours, which is something frequent laptop users will appreciate. Battery life will depend on your usage, but with an efficient Intel chip and Windows 11 Pro's optimization, you can expect it to comfortably last through a workday with typical tasks like emails, document editing, and web browsing. Speaking of the operating system, Windows 11 Pro offers advanced security features and business tools, which make it especially appealing for professionals who need enterprise-level reliability. In summary, the HP 250G9 15-inch laptop is a well-rounded machine that covers all the essentials while offering impressive memory and storage capacity. It's not built for heavy gaming or specialized creative workloads, but it excels at what it's designed for: productivity, reliability, and value. With its Intel Core i5 processor, massive 32 GB of RAM, 1 TB SSD, and business-friendly features,